Alright, so the other day, through a series of unfortunate circumstances, I had to listen to the radio. And the problem with that was I don't usually do that. I usually listen to my iPod or good old trusted cassette tapes. Yes, I still listen to cassette tapes. But that's neither here nor there right now. I had to listen to the dadgum radio. It was a country station. And some of the songs on it I didn't recognize. Some of the older ones I did. There was one that stuck out in my mind. And it made me question everything I know about life. As far as what in the hell is wrong with some of you people. This song about some guy was singing that his woman was like a backroad or something like that. That fella done lost his damn mind. One, he shouldn't be on a country station because he don't sound country at all. Because one, country folks, we don't have a clue how far back a Cadillac seat leans. We ain't got a clue. But another thing, you might hear a little noise and rattling and see some bumps. That's because I'm driving on a country back road here in Texas. And I tell you what, I wouldn't want to ever see the woman whose body is like a back road here in Texas. It'd be like a tote sack full of rocks and cottage cheese. I mean, these things are not smooth. They are curvy, I'll tell you that. There's a curve. Hell, there's two of them about 4 miles back there yonder way that it literally 2 90-degree turns back to back, and I mean, hellfire. If you're driving anything over about 6 miles an hour, you're gonna wind up in somebody's pasture. But that don't make no sense. You don't want a woman that's anything like a back road. All that tells me is that feller is about as country as freaking pavement, which ain't real daggum country. Fucking, he ain't got a clue. Y'all need to quit listening to people like that. Quit buying their records. Just stop it. See how you like it? It's smooth, right? Jesus Christ. But quit doing anything to support these people and make them think they're singing good music, because they're not. And it darn sure shouldn't be on a country station, because it ain't country. I am from the country in Texas. I come from a place where if I say 13 NWZ, people know what that means. And if you don't know what that means, Google it. Or hell, or don't. It probably don't mean nothing to you, but my God. That song by that fella on a country station made about as much sense as socks on a snake. Not a whole daggum lot. But just, please, people, stop playing music like that. Something ain't right with them. Especially on a country station, because that ain't country music. If you need to listen to country music, it don't make her darn if you were freaking sad, happy, dying, whatever. Any emotion you can possibly experience here is a George Strait song for you, and that is about the only thing you need to listen to. Get you all the way through life. So, just, I don't know. But if y'all like that fella and that song, do something different, because something ain't right with y'all people neither. But y'all have a good one, and just stay away from women built like a back road, because shit ain't right.